Yeah, my people, good evening everybody. This is MOC TV television. Show us the video. If you are there, let me share the video, because today we'll get a lot of things that we are going to discuss, we are going to talk about. And at the same time, you can also see the number at the screen. If you want to call him and contribute to what we are going to discuss here today, so you are free to call. So at this moment, I'm not yet open the call. I'm still working on some technical faults. I'm trying to amend everything so that everything will be in order.
Again.
Thank you for what Yes, my people, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, anywhere you dey. Now na song MUC TV television show us the video. You can see the topic there, and why we are in studio today. So we are here to come and celebrate, and we are here to talk about the shutdown. How does it really affect our artists? So today I don't too much have a long time to spend on studio today, because we have plenty things to do. Yeah, my people, you can see the number at the screen. So today we all artists in diaspora, we are going to talk about the lockdown. How does the lockdown affect our artists in Europe? So before then, you can see the poster at the screen. This poster, oh my brother, it don't be say I dey plan. Make I make una understand, because this studio today now to talk about the real good thing, the real good investment, the real good thing wey concern our artists for Europe. Una know say e don tey wey be say many of us don dey plan how to bring artists together, but some get the idea but dem no know how dem go take bring am together. So today wey me I dey talk to una, so as I dey talk to una, so the thing still dey go on. Which people I dey talk so? Artist DJ Hall of Fame. Like they come gather, come bring this association together, say e good make all of us, all the artists for Europe, make dem dey draw one rope. So e don tey wey dem start this meeting, e don tey wey dem start this meeting, this association. So now today na dem come say me MUC TV I dey broadcast how our brother, our great artist wey im name na Akoberian, all the way from Nigeria, on Friday I dey come. On Friday wey dey come, so Akoberian go dey with artist DJ Hall of Fame. He go dey with us, because Akoberian say e don tey wey don dey see our program, e don dey see all sorry, so Akoberian say e don tey wey don dey hear of artist DJ Hall of Fame. Now he come let us know say on Friday wey dey come, so him go wan like talk to us, address us, because na the artist wey be say we dey respect, na artist wey be say we dey regard, na the artist wey be say e don still try for Edo music, for Edo entertainment. So my leader Akoberian, the great artist, we go dey expect you, and we go too happy if we see you for live that day. So abeg make you no fail us. So for other people wey be say they never join this association, make na try, make na hurry up, because I first tell una the other day say the door go soon lock. The door go soon lock. If the door lock, nobody know when the door go open again. So our great Akoberian, me MUC TV, na music I wan play today, take dance for your coming to artist DJ Hall of Fame. I'm very happy, and all artists, DJ, all of them, they say make I come use this opportunity, take thank you, take welcome you. And before that day, God go still guide you. God go give you more wisdom, so that when they talk to us, when they talk to artists, DJ, all of them, we go understand what you they tell us. So my brother and sister, if you are watching me out there, please share the video, because why I want everybody share this video, people tell me say never see year of this artist, DJ, all of them. So now organization will be say they take gather all our artists together, so that more day cooperation, more the reason one or two things together. So I go use this opportunity now to thank our honorable president of artist, DJ, all of them. I'm thanking you, sir. If you are watching me, thank you, sir. God will bless you for the wisdom wey God give you, wey you take gather your brothers, your sister together. Me, I dey pray from MOC TV television. The God will give you that wisdom, that God will give you more wisdom, make you take lead artist, DJ, all of them. God not go fail you, and you, I believe you, you no go still fail God. You no go fail our brothers and sisters. So before I go continue, this our president, he get better music wey he play. He don't tey whether they play music. He don't tey for oh my God. If I return, I'm not go understand. Many of our artists dey will be say they get better music because of say people no dey support them, people no dey follow them. Nobody green hear of those plenty music there wey be say we suppose know, we suppose dey play for this for Europe, because of say cooperation not dey for our people. They not dey unite. This one they do, they go. This one they do, they go. This one they do, they go. Now make things come get as it be to our Nigerian artists in diaspora. So I beg today, with this artist, DJ, all of them, I believe say things go dey okay for all artists. Things go dey okay for all artists wey dey diaspora. So before then, I go play one of my brother music. So I'm going to tell you jolly, because me I still invite more people. This program, now see the number where they screen, then a WhatsApp number. If you add that to your WhatsApp, you can be able to tell us if you are a member, if you be member of this artist DJ. You can also call, because I believe say not be everything me know. We be say some people be say they get what they want to talk. Since you get what you want to talk, the number is free. The number is free. You can call. Maybe I know they made mistake. I know they put some things where. You can also call and contribute to this great association. So before then, make I find my brother music put. More take the jolly first.
I got money and gas anytime I need. Passing your hood, your girlfriend they holla my name. La vida they eye me, oh me before she go dive me, oh. I never said she don't reply me, oh. She said she want to they follow me good and low. She still they eye me, oh. She just they eye me, oh. She still they eye me, oh. She just they eye me, oh. I can take you to the sky, Girl, you know I'm not like all the guys. Girl, I'm looking nice and not so fine. I'm so
fly.
Baby, not true what I know go lie.
No lie.
Check out my swagger now. My swagger they sharp like a dagger knife. Cause I know my money like a pandemic. I'm a billionaire, girl I know the lack. Yeah. I'm a Casanova. I don't know why she beg for my number. It's not quite long that I met her. She want me bumper to bumper. Little play. Before I know she did. You want arrest me like AK. The way you do not beg. I knew. For me before she go dive me. I never said she don't reply me. She said she want to dey follow me good and low. She still dey I knew. She just dey I knew. She still dey I knew. She just dey I knew.
Listen now, jab on the mic, trying to be nice. You don't need to test cause you get size. Look into my eyes, you gon' know I some fly. Yeah. Jeffros in the building, yeah we standing so fly. Popping champagne on the air. Now you know that we never done insane. Yeah. She feeling like song anytime we drive by. Waving her arms, now she say bye. She's feeling the boy now, feeling the sky now. I would have seen this believing, so stop being foolish. You moving with the best guys, moving with the right guys. Cause you know, swagger no law. Cause you know, swagger equal music on the beat. Better kick your feet, now you know. Jeffros on the mic. You two get swagger, baby.
Nothing that they eye me. For me before she go dive me. I never said she don't reply me. She said she want to dey follow me good and low. She still dey eye me. She just dey eye me. She still dey eye me. She just dey eye me.
Get on the floor.
She dey bang like a bouncy ball, like a bouncy ball. She dey wine like a ajabo, like a ajabo, She dey wine like a ajabo, Check out my swagger now. My swagger they sharp like a dagger knife. Cause I know my money like a pandemic. I'm a billionaire, girl I know the lack. Yeah. Little play. Before I know she did. You want arrest me like AK. The way you do not beg. I got money and cars anytime I need. Passing your hood, your girlfriend they holla my name. La vida they eye me. For me before she go dive me. I never said she don't reply me. She said she want to dey follow me good and low. She still dey eye me. She just dey eye me. She still dey eye me. She just dey.
Let's get on the floor.
She still dey eye me. She just dey eye me. She still dey eye me.
Let's get on the floor.
She just dey eye me. She still dey eye me. She just dey eye me.
Let's get on the floor.
So my people, this music no be so hard to play am. I never play am. I don't know say the video don dey play since. So I go play the video again.
I got money and cars anytime I need. Passing your hood, your girlfriend they holla my name. La vida they eye me. For me before she go dive me. I never said she don't reply me. She said she want to dey follow me good and low. She still dey eye me. She just dey eye me. She still dey eye me. She just dey eye me. I can take you to the sky. Girl, you know I'm not like all the guys. Girl, I'm looking nice and not so fly.
I'm so fly.
Baby, not true what I know go lie.
No lie.
Check out my swagger now. My swagger they sharp like a dagger knife. Cause I know my money like a pandemic. I'm a billionaire, girl I know the lack. Yeah. I'm a Casanova. I don't know why she beg for my number. It's not quite long that I met her. She want me bumper to bumper. Little play. Before I know she did. You want arrest me like AK. The way you do not beg. I me. Oh me before she go dive me, oh. I never said she don't reply me, oh. She said she want to dey follow me go down low. She still dey eye me, oh. She just dey eye me, oh. She still dey eye me, oh. She just dey eye me, oh.
Listen now, Jabba on the mic, trying to be nice. You don't need to test cause you get size. Look into my eyes, you gon' know I some fly. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jeffros in the building, yeah, we standing so fly. Popping champagne in the air. Now you know that we never done and say, yeah, yeah. She feeling our song anytime we drive by. Waving her arms, now she say bye-bye. She's feeling the boy now, feeling this guy now, What I've seen is believing, so stop being foolish. You moving with the best guys, moving with the right guys. Cause you know, swagger no law. Cause you know, swagger equal music on the beat. Better kick your feet, now you know. Jeffros on the mic. You two get swagger, baby.
Nothing that they eye me, oh me before she go dive me, oh. I never said she don't reply me, oh. She said she want to dey follow me go down low. She still dey eye me, oh. She just dey eye me, oh. She still dey eye me, oh. She just dey eye me.
So now don't watch the video now. So wait till the track make I tell you what I be say. This is the president of Artist DJ Hall of Fame. You can reach him, he go direct you how you take meet up with this association. So for our brothers wey dey the association, men are ready for Akobegyan. Akobegyan they come make I dey talk am the one I go understand. Akobegyan wan come visit Artist DJ Hall of Fame on Friday wey dey come so if you never be the member, make you try, make you join the member, because e never late. Before they go close the door, e go come dey difficult for people. Before you wan enter, go come dey hard, you come dey call people. That time you come dey talk say they no wan accept you, they no wan make you join them. Now make you try, make you contact them. So na the matter be. So I beg my brother and sister, people dey be say they want know about this artist DJ, because one brother yesterday they ask me say how the thing be. I no fit explain for am. So I believe say him go dey watch me now. So maybe through this program today, maybe him go hear how the thing be, how the thing dey go. So if anyone out there will be say can still make us understand, you can add this number to your WhatsApp number so that you will fit use and take call studio. So when you call the studio, you go still let us know wetin me no fit put where. You go help me put am where so that make e hear am, make dem hear am, not only one person. So I'm very happy for our Nigerians. I dey happy well because this dream wey I bring come so. Now something will be say me and I don dey pray make God join us together, because many of our artists today things dey happen to many of them wey be say they no dey get support. Things dey come social media come dey cry, come dey beg before people come dey support them. That kind of thing we no need that for Nigeria again, we no need that for our state again. So what we need now na this association be say all of us go dey unite together. If anything dey happen to 1, 10 people, 20 people go gather round, because our people say load wey one person dey carry heavy, but when 2, 3 people come put hand join am, na go say am say the load go dey easy. So my brother and sister, so my phone number is open now, my WhatsApp number is open. You can add and call me. And if you don't know anything about this Artist DJ Hall of Fame, you can also call so that we will tell you more about. And if you call me, people dey go answer you from this moment. Thank you very much. So before any call go come now, I go still play one of our, because today na music time, na music day, na today be. So before anything, I wan play one of our sister music, because this is our sister. I can say she is the mother of MOC TV. She is all concerning MOC TV. So before I go play other people two music, I go play one of our own. So make I drop one of our music. this music wey sing for Africa say Africa go rise again. You see am now, we don dey rise. We don things wey dey happen today, many of our artists don talk am. They don talk am. So wetin they don talk now, many things don dey happen. E don dey happen for our good. First one we dey see now, you see this artist DJ Hall of Fame. They don fall out for better area, for better form. Wey be say our brother Mr. President bring come. Mr. President DJ. DJ Jeff. Sorry sir, say I call that name. Permit me. So is the president of Artist DJ Hall of Fame. So many people wey know am. So if una fit call am, make I ask am about how the thing dey go. E go still enlighten una, go direct una where una go go, where una go reach, how una take communicate with the secretary and the PRO dem. So thank you very much. So before anything now, I go play one music now. I will play the music before any call come. All artists DJ. Pam param, so I see.
I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up.
Ooh, so sweet in the beauty, great to sign of Natasha.
Hey, que y'all better say, Africa le today. To what you say, to the cosas and the cosas. Que y'all better say. Africa levántate, Africa levántate, Africa levántate, tú puedes ser, Africa levántate, Africa levántate, tú puedes ser, Africa levántate.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now we are going to start the program. We are going to talk the reason we are here now. So if you are there, the phone number is open now. You can contribute to our today topic. And what will be our today topic? This lockdown will happen. So we say how it affect the artists wey dey Europe. We want to know if it really affect our artists. We want to know if it not affect our artists, because maybe some inside this lockdown, maybe some they still dey go party, some DJ they still go dey play music, or they not go. We want to know. So if this lockdown not affect you, if you are DJ, you are artist, if it affects you, you can also call me on my WhatsApp. So let us really discuss about it. So I could know how it affect, because some people not know, they don't know at all. Some people say some artists they be say before they not they go show. Some DJs they before they not they go show. So those ones they don't feel know. So those one we go know now. Those one will be say they feel they go show. We be say that they use show till they survive. That they use show till they do many things. And this lockdown can't come as it comes, so it can't keep everybody for us. We be say nobody feel move, nobody feel do anything. Because after this program now, I believe say God want use people. He want use people to locate you. So if you are watching me, you share the video. As you share the video, and as you call me, if you call me, mention your name, mention your entertainment name, so that may God hear your voice, so that God will fit bless you, to locate you to somebody wey go surprise you. Your first show after this lockdown, your first show. Make I tell you, my brother and sister, any of your first show now bomb, we go make boom. Any of your first show, you go make boom. Because God knows say since when you dey and you feel they go show, you not go show again for over 3 months now. So nobody know how they eat, nobody know how they live. But after you don't talk for here today, you will see the way God will bless you, the way God will throw this better blessing meet you. Because my prayer for you now, may the blessing not go hit you for chest, because if it hit you for chest, you don't feel resistant. So the blessing goes just come in a way we say you will feel receiver. So my brother and sister, so this is MOC TV Television once again. So is a station to promote artists. Now station be say they raise our brother, they raise our sister. Now station be say we will fit promote your business. We will fit to promote our brothers. The way I they play those music just now. So if you still want more, still they play your music, we go they play am. But in this week, me and they come out because of our artist DJ Hall of Fame, because the great things whether they plan for the country now, for Europe, is a something we say we the Nigerians, we the artists, we like them. We like and we love it, and we pray may God not still bring person wey go come scatter am. Anybody wey get that kind of plan, God go dey pursue them, God go dey drive them. God not let them reach artist DJ Hall of Fame. They not fit come there. And every day me go dey pray for that our Mr. President. God will use am, go dey use am dey go. So me I'm very happy today. Anyhow Nigeria take dey, but people all Nigeria wey still dey outside Nigeria, una well done for your cooperation for things wey una dey do. Mostly maybe Edo Association, Urhobo Association, Yoruba Association, the way una dey take care of una community, God go dey bless una. The way una dey behave, you know wetin make me like una, the way una dey behave, e no be like say na not dey look wetin dey happen for Nigeria, but na still get one love for each other for here, and God go bless una. So make I no forget the reason why I dey here, because many people dey come here now, so I go repeat wetin make me dey talk this video, wetin dey make me dey talk for studio today. So make I read wetin the message wey I get for una, make I read am again. All this one I first dey talk, I say make una first dey come. If una don come, I go read the message. So our oga wey be the president of Artist DJ Hall of Fame, wey im name na DJ Freeze, the way it show for me for here. He wey be the president dey invite Akobeghian special guest. Now this one I say special guest, so he come invite Akobeghian come All Artist DJ Hall of Fame. Make I put the picture for una. May not be like say una no dey get wetin I dey talk. Make I show una the poster, because I no dey carry dey read wetin e no dey happen, wetin no happen. Na wetin happen na I dey read. So before I go continue to read with this thing, so make I find the picture, the poster put. So you can make your contribution. Before I go start to play music, because na music I wan play. Now I wan play today. So I say make I first give this authentic message to all our people, so that before I go start my music. So if you are there, you can make the call and support our topic today. So my brother and sister, I go continue to read now. This is the poster, so you can see it by yourself. Okay, let's start. Wetin dey write for here? Artist DJ Hall of Fame would be having Akobeghian as special guest on live conference call with ADHOF, wey be Artist DJ Hall of Fame. So na dem dey invite this our oga patapata for music come live video to address dem in diaspora. So let me continue for that place. Member in diaspora EU by 7:30 p.m. European time on Friday 5th, wey be June 2020. This as part of its effort to bring the artist home and abroad to one and another. So wetin dem dey try to let us understand, dem want make artists wey dey Europe and the one wey dey Nigeria, make dem come together. If anything dey happen for Nigeria, dem go let us know for Europe. If something dey sup for Europe, dem go let you wey dey Nigeria know. That one no concern you. How we come take run am get the way. If that time reach, we will still run am. So e never finish there. On Friday, you wey be say you never join this association and you wan meet Akopegyan, you wan see Akopegyan for life, you wan talk to Akopegyan, you better rush come. No be only Akopegyan o, many dey, I no go mention their name here because they never bring their name come out. Many dey wey they will still invite. After this invitation for this video call, I believe Akopegyan is going to come live direct to Europe. Thank you very much. This music, I dey find the video. I no fit bring the video come out now. So now I say make I play am for audio. So the person wey sing this music na still one of the artists, DJ Hall of Fame. Wey im name na Don Okuta. Don Okuta. If you go in YouTube now, you just write am Don Okuta, you go reach, you go see im music. You go just sing am. So all artists DJ, your music, I want make I get many of it so that I will still play some for now. Yes, thank you very much. That music where I play so now for our brother Don Okuta. Faji governor. Maybe I fight the governor one right there, or I don't know. So if you go YouTube, you write Don Okuta, you'll see all the music there. So as with the player, you'll see help them subscribe to their channel, because you know why me they talk all those things and we be saying, my people, make una try me to understand me. You see these artists then, wetin they concern me, my feelings about them. Number one, they create time, they create time to compose this music where they sing. So not be something they go studio, they go sing am. After they don't sing am finish for house, they can't go studio, go sing am, come produce am, come do video put. So my brother, you will fit still open the music, say you wan play am. Not let that hand pain you. Press like for am. Press subscribe for am. Write something for am. Appreciate am. Make him get more hope, more strength to do more, to sing more. I beg my brothers and sisters, na wetin I dey say make I tell una. So I get many people music, but the time not permit am, because the time I suppose enter studio today, I don miss the time, because today I say I get less than one hour. Na 1 hour I just get for today's studio, because I come out because of two reasons, two particular information na make me come out. This for one, na be that one I read for now. Two, na the music I wan play. I think I don play 2 of the music now, video. So I dey play the third one, audio. When I'm coming next week to studio, we are going to arrange everything fine. We be say you go enjoy am. Everything go dey list. Because I know say some little errors dey today studio, because network dey disturb, and the system get your own disturbance. So I believe next week studio we are going to it's going to be a bomb, and there will be one of our artists in the house, not Sound Sweet again. Another artist will be in the studio, and many, because today now many don tell me say they no get chance, say they suppose come studio. So thank all the viewers for your viewing and comments. I appreciate everybody. Thank you very much. And for the member of Artist DJ Hall of Fame, on Friday is the meeting. So don't fail. Try to be at the meeting before 7. May not let Akobega go away for una. So may all of una dey ready before our oga artist from Nigeria, Akobega. So now let me play one of our brand music again. But mostly get one music I don't like. I don't like this music. I don't like the music. I dey like man they play the music. I don't like her. Make I put the music.
Yes, so Obosa on this alongside Ukinebo Entertainment. Respect to you. I
Yeah, thank you very much for listening to that music. Yeah, I'm going to play our sister music because he give me about 2 to 3 music today make I play for a studio. So you get the music when you play for our Oba of Benin. The time when you go Nigeria, you get the music when you play for our Oba of Benin Kingdom. So Moku will listen to the music. So if you can call me, my number is on the screen. You can call me. So bring your idea, contribute.
We celebrate our Obaedo. Let's celebrate our Obaedo. Obaratope. Let's celebrate Obaratope. Let's jubilate Obaratope. Let's celebrate our Obaedo. Let's celebrate our Obaedo. Obaratope. Let's celebrate Obaratope. Let's jubilate Obaratope. Let's celebrate, let's jubilate Obaratope. Let's celebrate Obaratope. Let's jubilate Obaratope. Let's celebrate.
Come together, let's celebrate this king. I'm on Obanedo, celebrate it. Come, let's celebrate it.
Obedorante, etoyabo. Obedorante, etoyabo. Let's celebrate, let's jubilate, let's celebrate, let's jubilate. Obedorante, etoyabo. Obedorante, etoyabo. Let's celebrate, let's jubilate, let's celebrate. Etienne Bourgo, c'est la zéro. Let's celebrate. Etienne Bourgo, c'est la zéro. Let's jubilate. Etienne Bourgo, c'est la zéro. Let's celebrate. Etienne Bourgo, c'est la zéro. Let's jubilate. Etienne Bourgo, c'est la zéro. Let's celebrate. Etienne Bourgo. Everybody, let's jubilate. Etienne Bourgo, c'est la zéro. Everybody, let's celebrate. Etienne Bourgo, c'est la zéro. Everybody, let's celebrate. Etienne Bourgo, c'est la zéro. Everybody, let's jubilate. Etienne Bourgo, c'est la zéro. Let's celebrate. Etienne Bourgo, c'est la zéro.
Let's celebrate.
Nana.
Let's celebrate. See, you can see it. Oh, let's celebrate our king. Yeah. So sweet. Great Hosanna on the beat. See.
Yes, thank you very much for watching the video. I'm going to play it one by one like that. I beg me to share the video. Share the video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. So another person still dey there, I want to play today. I want to play on a small. Another person I want to play that be Audion Dollar Dollar. I want to play your music. Yes, thank you very much, Audion Dollar Dollar. Thank you for your performance. I really appreciate your music. Thank you. More not forget, artist DJ Hall of Fame would be having Akoberian as special guest on live conference call with ADHOF, wey be say na artist DJ Hall of Fame member in diaspora EU by 7:30 Europe time. May I not forget. Time on Friday 5th of June will be 2020, will be this year. So make we not forget. I dey use this opportunity to dey announce the meeting time for una. So before we go to the next level, I dey find one of our brother music. I don find am, I no see am, so I go play am for audio.
Beat killer on the beat.
We are motor, no stress, no fatigue.
Carry me from grass to grass. No step by step. No step by step. No step by step. No so baba you do it way. Another level. Another level. Another level. Another level. Baba don't take me yo.
Come and see what God will do for me. Yeah. He carry me for nothing to something. Oh my brother, see. Nobody know what he do for me. He carry me every day. No one make her to complain. He feeds me, I can't deny. He bless me, I can't deny. Now only you are also for nobody else. Every night you must say this is the year you go my pool. Who say Baba? I'm not saying in a rule ya my pool. Yeah.
No step by step.
Na step by step.
No step by step. No so baba you do it way. Yeah. Another level. Another level. Another level. Another level. Baba don't take me yo.
Was here for drink this year, say you want bless some people, oh. About a bag at the make my name. Mama Bona, Arula Yavitate, I'm not saying Arula Yamagula, so I go with ya. And I'm a power man, we are also a say, now what Papa Bona, look alike too. Bad boy go as with the hustle, we go collect oh. This year do my yeah, say we go collect oh.
No step by step. No step by step. No step by step. No so baba you do it way. Yeah. Another level. Another level. Another level. Another level. Baba don't take me yo.
Who said they say?
Yes, thank you very much. That is Gentle Silva, all the way from Germany. This Gentle Silva na Germany day. If you enter YouTube, you go see Gentle Silva. He full YouTube. So go find the one where you go play, where go switch you all the sweet music dey there. He full that place. Go find out. He get the one where I like pass. Now be one play. So I go maybe next studio. I go find that music come. Wait, I just singer. No man, not worry. Next coming studio, I go show now. So before I go round up today music studio, I want to play one of our brother music. Our legend, our oga, pata. This our oga, so I go use the music to describe. Na Lucky Dube set, but anywhere when he dey, na make God protect am for us. We no go fit lose am now. By the grace of God, God will protect am for us anywhere when he dey. Every time now they think of him. So today na say any video I do for studio today. So before I go round up, I go play the video. So my brothers and sisters, more watch the video. More watch our brother video.
Eke Agbado Market. Agbado Market is located along Akpakpava axis of Benin City. Agbado Market, which was created by Ogiso, was also named Ogiso Market between 16 and 66 AD.
Just wait, more listen to this video so I'm more close for today.
Ogiso Market is said to be the first market in Benin Kingdom, but was later renamed Agbado Market, which it is known for today. Although food items and other items such as bags, shoes, clothes are also sold in this market, but Eke Agbado is mostly known for its sales in kitchen utensils such as pots, plates, pans, and every other kitchen utensil you can think of, and they are sold at very large quantities and at a very affordable price. Gas cylinders are also sold in this market. You can also fill your gas in Eke Agbado Market. Let's take a walk through the market so I can show you other things as we go around. Around the markets, and you can really find people around. That's because 97% of people who sell in this market, they don't come on Sundays, and today is a Sunday. So if you are thinking of coming here to buy something on a Sunday, I would advise you not to, because it's a very bad idea. Let me take you through the markets again so we can see other parts of this market.
Yes, thank you very much, my people. I'm about to round up now because today's studio, because there was a time where I was supposed to start this program, so there was a get person be say I be the expert for the studio today, so the person already tell me say he get an appointment for another place, so you know fit meet up. So I be dey try make I wait if he go quick round up. So now me I don't reach out again. I don't tell me say you know fit meet up today again, because in there among the people wey be say he say me we talk about this lockdown, but it's unfortunate that say in way he bring the program come, he can't dey busy, can't get appointment. You know, in Europe, if you get appointment, you know if you miss am. Due to the way me beat to am, make am still come tell me say make I not worry. Say just beg the whole viewers, he beg everybody wey be dey wait to hear from her. So say me could not vex. So next time this thing not go happen like this again. So he say make una not vex. He say he beg everybody. He say next time not go fail again. So he go talk anything he talk, he go stand by that thing. So my people, make una not vex. So before I go still round up, I go still play our president music. We will take close the house today. So as you dey lis ten, God go bless una.
Let's celebrate our African king. Let's celebrate our African king. Etienne Boulon, c'est la zéro. Let's celebrate. Etienne Boulon, c'est la zéro. Let's jubilate. Etienne Boulon, c'est la zéro. Nana. Let's celebrate our African king. Let's celebrate our African queen.
This platform, I need supporter. I need supporter. I need.
Let's celebrate. Etienne Boulon, c'est la zéro. Let's jubilate. Etienne Boulon, c'est la zéro. Nana, we celebrate our Baeto. Let's celebrate our Baeto. Obaratokwe. Let's celebrate Obaratokwe. Let's jubilate Obaratokwe. Let's celebrate our Baeto. Let's celebrate our Baeto. Obaratokwe. Let's celebrate Obaratokwe.
Thank you very much for staying with me. So I must thank everybody, all the viewers, all artists, DJ, all of fame. I thank everybody. I appreciate you now. This love when I show so now this love. Let me dey pray for me. All artists they show for each other. So if they show this love to each other, things go dey move fine for us. So thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you, I appreciate. So may I share this video. So MOC TV, we are here to show your video, to promote you, to stay by you in anything way they do. Now video, now marriage you want to do, you want make we support you, you want make we call anyhow you want, anything you want do, you call MOC TV. We go there with you. If you want to do marriage, MOC TV can't cover this marriage for me, can't do the video work. We dey ready. Because my cameraman then, I think about one of them today get show, so he not there around, so he suppose. So anywhere you call me, say you want cover video, so people they will say MOC TV will come run out for you. So may you not fear for that one. We will give you the best video you need, the best video. We dey listen to our customer, we dey listen to our customers. So wetin you tell us now we go do for you. So I beg my people, thank you very much. I beg more they love ourselves, more they help ourselves. All artists, more they help our artists them. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. So when next studio, you know, go be like this because you get the way things be. So many people not go understand, but at a time, next studio we go arrange everything fine for now, so that anybody who want call that time if you call. So the last time where I put the number for the screen, the number was there was a mistake for that number. So instead of 6, I go put 5 for one place there. So I beg me not verse. So thank you very much, my people. This, as I talked before, we are here to help ourselves. More we love ourselves. Thank you very much. Good night, everybody. We'll see next on studio. Thank you very much.